The OGs, the Apple OGs, are familiar with this ringtone. Now, in 2017, Apple brought out a second ringtone called the Reflection, which is this. Now, with the release of the iOS 26, Apple brought out another ringtone, which is this. It is called the Reflected. But then the iOS 26 has been updated to beta version 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with the latest one, 6. Now, they have brought out other variants of this ringtone. This one now is called Buoyant. The next one is called Dreamer. Now, the next one is called The Pond. The next one is called Pop. The next one is called Surge. I beg. Let us know in the comment section, please, which of these ringtones hit hard. Did Tim cook? Abi did he not cook? Because bye bye.